Hi friends! So in this video, I will unbox the Daily Essentials kit na Sweet Aroma diffuser for you guys and show you kung gaano kasulit yung ating newest Daily Essentials kit. Ayan! Ito siya! So, pag Daily Essentials kit talaga, kasi mga promo kits yan, diba? So, limited time. So, limited lang yung chance na pwede nyo makuha yan. So, maganda siya na kung member na kayo, maganda siyang second kit nyo. Kasi it's very sulit dahil may diffuser ka na. And you have the 5 most used oils natin. Lalo na ngayon, ngayong panahon na ito. So, this is the set, the 5 oils. So, ito yung box. And we also have the diffuser. Ayan, si Sweet Aroma diffuser. So, ayan siya. Isa-isahin na natin. And then, you also have the product guide. Ayan. Para, syempre, alam natin kung ano yung oils and yung paggagamitan. At ang napakaganda na eco bag. Yan. So, yan ang makukuha mo kapag kumuha ka ng Daily Essentials kit. Ganda. Seat to seal. Yan. So, yun nga, diba? Kapag existing member ka na, you can still get this kit para pang ano nyo, backup. Diba? Kasi, you know, every area of your house, maganda na meron kang diffuser na extra. So, buksan na natin ang Sweet Aroma. Diba? So, you can never have enough diffusers at home. So, my husband, if you're watching this, please listen. Yan, okay. Let's open. And there you go. Wow! O, diba? Ang ganda ng design ni Sweet Aroma. Malabanig. O, tapos neutral color na grayish. And then, banig-banig style. Tsaka ang nakakatuwa dito, kahit compact size siya, you know, smaller than other diffusers natin. Tingnan nyo sample. This is Dewdrop and this is Sweet Aroma. Diba? Smaller siya, but yung diffuse nito malakas ha. And ang simple niya gamitin. Sobrang simple niya gamitin, like ito, yung inner cover niya kasi naka-attach dun sa outer. So, lagyan mo na agad ng water yan. There's still a marker line there as to the height of your water. Diba, distilled water first, tapos yan. Tapos may 2 buttons din siya. So, very nice. And, ganda rin ng design. So, kahit anong bahay nyo, tsura, white, kahoy, team puti, or whatever, babagay siya. Yan. And this is the box of the Daily Essentials kit. Ganda na, no? Dati nakatube lang yung mga promo kit. So, thank you YLPH for making a box for the oils. Super nice. So, you have peppermint, 15 ml. Peppermint is a work energizer. Super ganda. And it's the aircon oil of YL. And Thieves, diba? All natural clean. That's Thieves. It purifies and cleans the air from toxins. RC stands for Respiratory Care Oil. At alam niyo naman sa panahon ngayon, where respiratory system is very, very important. Kailangan sobrang inaalagaan. Yun. Sobrang ganda na may RC oil ka. And then, lemon, it's a happy oil, diba? Mood uplifter yan. And of course, you have the lavender. Lavender is the Swiss Army knife oil of young living. And it's also good for self-care time and for relaxation. So, there you go. Super sulit ng Daily Essentials kit. Imagine, 3 big oils, 3 15 ml oils, and 2 5 ml oils of the mostly used oils. Sa tingin ko yan talaga yung mga mostly used oils. Kaya sulit na siya. Grab the chance while you still can. Get your Daily Essentials kit for 6,399. Talaga may presyo pa akong nasabi. Just message na lang. Message me or your enroller or the person who introduced you YL. Pero kami na yon. Group na namin yon yung puntahan niya. Okay? So, there you go. Thank you for watching, guys!